Chapter 5 Parashurama. The Brahmin warrior Parashurama, drawn by the sound of Lord Shiva's bow breaking, entered the royal chambers. He was furious upon seeing the broken bow. Who is responsible for this? The Brahmin demanded to know. Parashurama was a Lord Shiva devotee and known as the sixth avatar of Lord Vishnu. From time to time, Lord Vishnu would incarnate into human form to restore the balance of justice over injustice. During the time of Parashurama, the Kshatriyas, the class of warriors, had become exceptionally cruel and had killed his father, Jamadagni. In a furious rampage, Parashurama had killed all the male Kshatriyas on earth 21 times over to avenge the murder of his father. He was famous for his skills in warfare, particularly his proficiency with the axe. Rama stepped forward in response to Parashurama's question. "It was I, Rama, who broke the bow," replied the prince. A chilling silence filled the air as Parashurama approached Rama, his eyes blazing with fury. But then confusion set in as Parashurama assessed the slender, serene youth before him. It was Parashurama's responsibility to put an end to any warrior who could become a threat to the land. But is it possible that it was mere chance that this young prince was able to break the Shiva bow? Parashurama handed over his own mighty Vishnu bow to Rama with a challenge. "Prove your worth by stringing this bow, young prince." Without hesitation, Rama took the bow and effortlessly strung it. A dawn of realization came over the Brahmin warrior, as his eyes widened with amazement and recognition. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.